We took our little sister to Legoland for her birthday, and we made this domino course in the hotel lobby. There are pits filled with bricks throughout the hotel, and you can build anything you want. So, our domino course is made entirely out of Lego bricks. Here we go! In 3, 2, 1, go! Now for the stuff that did not happen quite right. After working on the project for so long, we eventually could not hear the sound of screaming kids anymore, except for the occasional shriek of terror. Now, let's watch it backwards.